Hi everyone, in this video I am going to explain you about the uses of the DSUM function. So we have here division, category, months and the total sales. So we have four types of divisions here, and in the category section we have several categories. To verify a specific category, like to verify the total sales of a specific category, let's say telephone, we need to click on the filter section and click on telephone. In this way we can verify the total sales, and there is another way called the DSUM function where we'll write the category same as in this B1 and the total sales. Here we need to write for which category we need to sum up the total amount. Here we need to add the DSUM function, open bracket, and click on the insert function option here. In this database we need to select the data from A1 to F59. In this field we need to enter for which field we need total, we need the amount. In this criteria section we need to give the details for which category, or we need to verify the total sales, and click on OK. And here we will get the total sum of telephone. This is the use of DSUM function.